Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the important aspects of your LG Gram laptop warranty and what to do if you encounter issues. First, let's identify the tools you might need. For most internal repairs, you'll require a precision screwdriver set, specifically one with Torx and Phillips heads. Additionally, having a pair of anti-static tweezers will help you manage small components without risk of static damage. Now, let's start by removing the back cover of your LG Gram. You'll typically find several screws securing it in place. Be sure to keep these screws organized. Using a magnetic parts tray can be helpful. Carefully use your plastic opening tool to pry the cover off, ensuring you don't damage any clips. Once inside, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating, so it's essential to clean the fans and vents. Use compressed air to gently blow out any dust. Remember, if you're uncomfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our skilled technicians can help you assess the situation for free. Next, let's examine the battery. If you've been experiencing power issues, the battery may need replacement. To remove it, disconnect the battery connector carefully. Take note of where each screw goes, as they may vary in size. If you don't have the tools or expertise, don't forget that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about transporting your laptop anywhere. As you check the components, it's crucial to ensure that everything is seated correctly. Loose connections can often mimic more serious problems. If you notice any damage to the motherboard or other components, it's time to consider repair options. Before proceeding with any repairs, we always provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. After you've done your inspection and cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Replace the back cover carefully, ensuring all clips snap back into place. Reinsert and tighten all screws, but be cautious not to over-tighten them as this can strip the threads. Now that your laptop is reassembled, power it on and check for any issues. If everything seems to be functioning correctly, congratulations! You've completed a thorough internal check and cleaning. However, if you're still facing problems, remember that no calls, no travel is our promise. Simply contact us for assistance, and we'll take care of the rest. Our team is ready to help you with any further diagnostics or repairs needed to get your LG Gram laptop back in top shape. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.